This isn't a new idea, it's ancient. For most of human history, wealth meant owning something that generates more wealth: land, trade routes, factories, other people. The formula hasn't changed, only the assets have. The numbers are brutal. The richest 1% of Americans now own more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. But here's the part that really matters: how they hold that wealth. The richest 1% own 50% of all US stocks and mutual funds. Meanwhile, most of the bottom 90%'s wealth is tied up in their homes, an asset that doesn't generate income while you sleep. The 10 richest men in the world hold a median of about 89% of their net worth in companies they built, mostly a single company. Warren Buffett holds 99% of his wealth in Berkshire Hathaway stock. Zuckerberg holds 96% of his in Meta. Bezos holds 85% in Amazon equity. These aren't salaries, these are ownership stakes. Ownership of business equity accounts for 66% of billionaire wealth. Liquid assets account for 31%. Real estate and luxury assets, just 3%. So when people imagine billionaires sitting on piles of cash or buying yachts, that's not where the wealth actually is. It's in ownership of things that produce. This has always been the game. In feudal Europe, wealth was land. If you owned land, peasants worked it and paid you. In colonial America, wealth was plantations. In the industrial age, it was factories. Today, it's equity in companies, platforms, and financial assets. In 2025, the 12 richest men in the world own more wealth than half of humanity, and their wealth isn't primarily from working harder than everyone else. Between 1989 and 2022, a top 0.1% US household gained $39.5 million in wealth, while a bottom 20% household gained less than $8,500. That's not a gap in effort, that's a gap in ownership. So what does this mean for you? The question isn't, how do I work harder? The question is, what do I own? A salary is your labor converted to cash. It stops when you stop. Ownership is different. It compounds while you sleep, while you're sick, while you're on vacation. The richest people in the world didn't just work, they built or bought things that work for them. That's the oldest wealth secret in the world, and it's sitting in plain sight.